looking for the label. Where's that? Okay. Only you can see it. So this is a 49cc, right? So what I did was made my own. I didn't make my own, but I bought this, and I just use this for clamping onto there to take out the flywheel right here, the flywheel. So this is how it looks. So what I did was I use a random type of screw. I screwed it in, and then I just hammer it out like this. Pow, like that. But I use this though. I use this. I didn't know it would work, so I just went like that. Put it right here. Then I just hammer it from the side right here, and then it just came out like that. So yeah, I just put this getaway. I should add this. Put this one, and this is the one I just bought from Pearl Harbor. The claw. So I used 2 of them. So if anyone need help taking out the flywheel, you know, I could do it. Takes like a second.